Hi, I'm Andrea of by Andrea Jansen, and today we are going to prepare Dutch Bisschopswijn. And Dutch Bisschopswijn can be compared with German glue wine because it's a hot wine drink and it's very easy to prepare. So let's start. We'll heat the wine to 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 70 degrees Celsius, not warmer because then the alcohol will evaporate. We keep that temperature for about an hour because then all the flavors of the herbs can get into the wine, and that's so delicious. Wine is ready and I'm going to taste it. It's hot and with a slightly flavor of orange and cinnamon and cloves. It's really delicious. This recipe is enough for 6 persons, but if you're in need for more, you can go to my website. It's got a great feature which will do the scaling for you. And I'm going to enjoy my wine. Bye! Thank you for watching this video. The full recipe can be found in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video. At my blog and at my channel you can find over 100 delicious recipes that are all easy to prepare. And with one thing in mind, it's a good taste. Bye!